If you import, sell, or service industrial air compressors, this guide explains what distributors can get from working directly with a Chinese compressor manufacturer. One question matters before any cooperation starts. Are you only buying machines, or are you building a long-term compressor business in your market? That difference changes the way you should evaluate a manufacturer. The manufacturing record should be examined before relying on a catalog. Jiebao has engineered and manufactured industrial air compressors since 1999. Its products have been sold in 45 countries, and in the Chinese domestic market, Jiebao has built a network of 560 first-tier agents. Those facts do not mean every market is automatically ready. They mean there is a manufacturing base, a product line, and a service logic that a serious distributor can examine. The first thing a distributor gets is product coverage. Jiebao's line includes screw air compressors, oil-free and clean air systems, piston compressors, mobile compressors, air ends, and spare parts. For an importer or service company, this matters because customers rarely ask for only one model forever. One market may need workshop machines, clean air systems, mobile units, and replacement parts at different times. The second thing is technical coordination before the order becomes a problem. Jiebao can support model selection, parameter confirmation, installation notes, maintenance guidance, basic troubleshooting, and remote technical communication. For specific projects, sales and technical staff can join a video meeting to confirm the next step. The third thing is document and parts support. Product information, specification sheets, and document version checks can be provided for project review, customs clearance, or certification review. Certification-related document support can be checked by model, market, and project requirements. For spare parts, Jiebao can help discuss regular consumables and a distributor spare parts package based on the target models, local industries, and service capability. The fourth thing is a clear qualification conversation. Jiebao is looking for partners with real local sales ability, service thinking, and a defined target market. If you already sell industrial equipment, run a service team, import machinery, or support factory customers, that background is important. Before any serious cooperation, both sides should confirm the basics: your country, your business type, your years in the industry, the brands or equipment you currently handle, and the customer segments you want to serve. There are also boundaries, final commercial terms, final delivery dates, special warranty details, local service arrangements, and legal cooperation terms must be confirmed case by case. A useful partnership is built by checking the market facts first, not by making promises too early. So if you want to evaluate whether Jiebao is a fit for your market, start with a simple distributor application. Tell us your country, your current business type, your experience in the compressor or industrial equipment field, the brands or products you already work with, and your target market. Then the next conversation can be practical: which product lines fit your customers, what support is relevant, what documents need to be checked, and whether the cooperation path makes sense for both sides.